Are you the proud owner of a Sony A9? If so, get your calendar out and cross everything off, because have I got a treat for you. New firmware, oh yeah. So go to the Sony website of your choice, in this case sony.co.uk, get to the firmware area and give it a little click. Update version 2. So, what have we got here then? Enchants continuous autofocus, very nice. Enhances continuous autofocus on moving subjects. Enhances AFC stability while zooming. Yep, you know you needed that. Adds new or enhanced functions for sports, news, media, photography professionals. Yes, that one camera guy that's looking at you. Sports, news, media, photography professional. New function, assign protecting images to custom key. Hallelujah! New function, FTP transfer protected files. Displays wide LAN MAC address. Inputs IPTC metadata to files. Inputs camera serial number to metadata. Improves all-round operational stability. Improves the accuracy of the overheating warning. Well, hey, this really is the firmware update for that one camera guy. He's gonna love this. So there we go, that's how we do it. Now, guys, don't rush this. Use the cable provided by Sony and get a refreshing beverage. Because sometimes you rush it, you pull that cable out, and you have a bricked A9, and that isn't what anybody wants. So read through the instructions carefully and just leave the camera doing its thing until it is completely finished. Don't prematurely remove the cable, please. Fair enough. So you install it, turn on the camera, follow the instructions. Make sure you just read through all of this very carefully, because I've just seen way too many premature cable removals. Once you're done, flick that camera on and leave me a comment and let me know how much better your A9 is now, and maybe it will just ease the pain that you're feeling from that A7R3. And as usual guys, it's been emotional.